Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful social media expert poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, when you have the slide sizes, so you first of all have to go and change the layout here. So the layout, we are changing it to blank, and we are then moving on to the design tab. So from the design tab, we are going to customize the size of this one. So click on slide size, and go and click on custom size, slide size. So come and click here, and then click on A4. So from there, you then click on portrait and click on OK, and then click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to customize the background of this one. So to customize the background of the slide here, you first of all have to right click on it and click on background format, or format background rather, sorry. So when you now click on it, the properties of this one, the slide will appear at the right side of our screen here. So from there, come and click on the gradient field. So because we want it to be gradient, so from there you can click on the preset gradient and click on this one. Alright, so you see we are going to use this one. Alright, so next thing again that I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes. We are going to insert a rounded rectangle which is right here. Click on it this way and just come and draw it this way. Alright, so with this one I want us to remove the outline. So the outline is the line that goes across it. So but with the shape here, I want us to insert a picture in there. So to insert the picture, when the shape is selected this way, you simply have to come and click on the picture or texture field. Alright, so we'll insert the picture later. I'll just come and click here to insert it. But I want us to position it well. So I'll go with something like this. So I'll increase here. Alright, I guess for now I'll leave it this way. Okay, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab. We are now going to insert an oval shape so that we can use that one and draw a circle. Alright, so I think I have it right here. So I'm simply just going to reduce the size and give it an outline. So the outline is already there. I just have to come to the line here. So you see when the shape is selected, that's when the properties of it will appear here. So from here I will come here and choose 8 here for the width, and the color here I will go with this color. Alright, so with this one I want us to make the field here to be white. So the solid field right here, I'll just come and click on the color here and then choose some white. Alright, so I'll just place it somewhere around here. Alright, so inside of this one we are going to insert the text there. So the text we have to insert to it, let me select it so I can make it black, so it will be clear. So we are social media expert. So at the bottom of it, that one, I'm just going to randomly generate a text there. So possibly I'll go with one paragraph of one line. Alright, so I'm just going to take the first one, and the font of it will be impact, but with the size, let's try 28. So I'll then come and take this one also, and the font I will try with semi-bold. 18 is okay as the size. Alright, so let's take the first one here. So we are going to change the color of it to this brown. So I'll take the media also and change the color to the brown. Alright, so I think this is not looking bad. Alright, now I want us to take this one again and make another copy here. But with this, I'm just going to clear the text off. And the shape field this time around, I'm just going to go with the gradient field. And I'm going to remove the outline. That way it gave it earlier on. So I'll give it no outline. So with this, I'm just going to bring it somewhere around here. So I'll leave it somewhere around here. Now I'll just go back to the insert tab, go to shapes, and click on rectangle here. I'm just going to draw a rectangle here. So with the shape fill, we are giving it no fill. Alright, so if you come to the outline that will give no outline. But if you come to the solid fill itself, that's the color of it. You are going with the gradient fill also. So from there, I'll then select send it to the backward. So you see, when this one is selected again, the format shape also here will be selected. And sometimes when it's not selected, it can be somewhere around here. So you just have to click here to bring it to. So you see something like send backwards. So just send it to the back. And then take this one also, maybe send it to the back of the shape. So I'll bring it down here. Alright, so I think it's not looking bad. So next thing again that I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab. Go and look for the rounded rectangle shape. So insert it, remove the outline. The shape we are going with white. So let me reduce it here. Alright, so I'll make a copy of it a couple of times. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab. We are now going to, or let's just take here. We are going to take this shape here, clear this one off. So with this one, the outline, we rather want the outline to be white. So I'm giving it a white outline. And the fill here, instead of white, we are going with the picture or texture fill because I want it to be a picture. So I'll reduce the size and gently place it somewhere around here. So I can increase this one. So and then make another copy here. So let me send this one down a little. Alright, so let me position this one also right here. So I'll then take this one also and make another copy here. So someone may ask, how am I making copy passwords like that or quickly? To make a copy easily, you just have to select the shape history and press and hold the control key on your keyboard and click to drag to make a copy. So like this. Alright, so now I want us to click on the insert tab. We are going to insert the text there. So I have a text box here. Let me just click here to insert the text. So the first text that I want us to insert should be creative design for it. So creative designer. So I'll select it, and the font of it, I'll go with a semi-bold. So I'll make another copy here, and that one will be Facebook marketing. So I'll make the last copy here, and that one will be web development. So I can do it this way, or I can make it developer. Alright, so I'm just going to gently take this one and send it to the top. So I'm just going to change this text to logo. So we can insert the logo there. So the font of it, I'll go with the impact, and the size, I'll go with the 28. With the color, let's go with white. Alright, so now let me insert my logo here. So I have my logo in my device. Even if you don't have it in your device, to insert the logo, you simply have to go to the insert tab, then go to pictures. So if you're not having it in your device and you have to work with online pictures, this is where you are supposed to go. But I have it in my device, so I'll go with this device. So this is my logo. So I'll double click on it to insert it. So I'll gently place my logo at the top there. Alright, so now I'm just trying to position it well. So I think this way it's not looking bad. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to make a copy of this text here to the bottom here. So here it has to be a paragraph. So I'm just going to again randomly generate another paragraph there. So this time I want one paragraph with 2 lines. So the color of it I'll go with white. Alright, so I'll gently bring it here. Now, let's go back to the insert tab. We are going to insert another shape, which is rectangle. Rectangle. So just come and draw your rectangle like this. So remove the outline. So let me zoom in a little so you can have a feel of it. So I'll just align it here. Alright, so the color of it, that's the shape fill, I'll go with black. So I'll make a copy of it. I'll add 2 copies to it, making it all as 3. Alright, so inside here, that's where we are going to place in our contact details. So let me make another copy here. So with this one, that will be the contact details. So I'll go with something like this. So I'll select it and the color will be white. So I'll make another copy here. And with that one, we are going to make sure that that one will be the email. So I'll go with info@gmail.com. So I'll make the last copy. I'll make the last copy here. And I guess that one will be the email. I said email rather. That will be the address, location, address. So I'll go with anywhere city 101. Alright, so now let's insert our icons inside here. So the first icon that we insert will be the phone icon. Like I said, I have it in my device. So this is the phone icon here. So I'll gently reduce the size and insert it in there. So I guess this way will not be bad. So let me zoom in. So go back to the insert tab. Picture is this device. So now let's go with the location icon. So I will reduce here also. So lastly, let's go with the mail icon. I want mail icon. Alright, so just have to reduce the size so that it can also fit in there very well. Alright, so I think it's not looking bad. Let me now zoom out a little. So now I want us to go back to the insert tab. We are going to insert another shape. So the shape we are going to insert will be at the bottom of this side. So the shape is right here, which is the top corner rounded. So I'll just click on it and come and insert it here. Alright, so I'll remove the outline. So with the shape fill, I'm going to go with white. So I'll align it to the left and align this side also to the left. Now let's make another copy of this text here. We are making a copy here, and I'm going to change the color here to black, and that one will be the website if only there is any. So if you're having a website, you can insert it there. So that will be www. Let me go with companyname.com. Alright, so let me go and look for icon for it also. So I'm just going to gently align it. Alright, so I think the alignment is not looking bad. So now let's start inserting the pictures here. So I'll click the first one, come and click on the fill here and click on the insert button. So I have it on my device, so from a file. So I'll insert this one. So I'll go with the next one also. Go to insert from a file. So I'm going to insert this one. Where is it? I think this one. So I'll go with this one. Another insert button. So I'll go with this one. And then lastly, I'll click here, click on the insert button. Click here. And I'll also click on this one right here. Alright, so let me zoom out a little. So you can see our poster looks nice and clean. So as you can see, the perfect view is at the left side here. So thank you so much for watching. See you later on my next video.